Hi friends, welcome to Crackers video series. Today we are here to discuss Tisnet general awareness questions. Please do like, share and subscribe to our video and comment for daily updates and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Let's see the first question. Jago is the classical dance form of which state? It is the classical dance form of Manipur state. In which of the following states of India is the Gangaur festival celebrated? It is celebrated in Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal it is celebrated. It is celebrated mainly on the third day of Hindu month called Chaitra. Dada Saheb Phalke Award is given in the field of. It is given in the field of film. It has started in the year 1969. The first winner of Dada Saheb Phalke Award is Devika Rani. The famous physician Jivaka was appointed by the court of. The famous physician Jivaka was appointed by the court of Bimbisara. Dash married Meher-un-Nisa, whom he gave the title of Noor Jahan, the light of world. Jahangir married Mir-un-Nisa, whom he gave the title Noor Jahan. Match the persons with the country to which they belong. Let's see the persons and the country. Answer is option B. Bashar al-Assad belongs to Syria. Cristiano Ronaldo belongs to Portugal. Justin Trudeau belongs to Canada. Recep Tayyip Erdogan belongs to Turkey. Kane Williamson belongs to New Zealand. Friends, Crackyo is providing previous papers of Tisnet. Please do visit our website and download those papers for your better practice. Which one of the following is not a football tournament? Irani Trophy is not a football tournament. Synapses and dendrites are associated with. Synapses and dendrites are associated with nerve cells. That is, neurons have specialized productions called as dendrites and axons. Dendrites brings information to the cell body and axons takes information away from the cell body. The synapse contains a small gap separating neurons. What is carbon footprint? The amount of greenhouse gases, primarily that is carbon dioxide, released into the atmosphere is called as a carbon footprint. That is, the total set of greenhouse gas emissions by an organization or an individual is called as carbon footprint. IGMDP in Indian context is a missile program. IGMDP means Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. How many start question one member can ask in the parliament in one day? Only one start question one member can ask in a parliament in one day. The judicial system in India contains a hierarchy of courts where dash is the highest. Supreme Court is the highest. That is, first Supreme Court, then High Court, subordinate or lower courts. These are again three types: civil, criminal and revenue. The governor of the state is appointed by president. Friends, Crackyo is providing 5 latest patent Tisnet mocks for ₹299. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Tenughat Dam, located in Jharkhand, is built on which of the following rivers? It is built on Damodar River. It was inaugurated in the year 1973. Which of the following is non-renewable resource? Fossil fuel is a non-renewable resource. Match the following Indus Valley sites to the states. Given Indus Valley sites are Harappa, Lothal, Chanhudaro and Banwali. Let's match to their states. Harappa is located at Punjab. Lothal is the southernmost cities of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. It is located in Bhal region of modern Gujarat. Bhal region of modern Gujarat. Chanhudaro is located at Sindh. It is located 130 kilometers south of Mohenjo-daro in Sindh, Pakistan. And Banwali is located in Haryana, Fatehbad district, Haryana. And Harappa is located at Punjab. Therefore, answer is option A. Which kind of investment model is build, operate, transfer? Public-private partnership is an investment model which is build, operate and transfer. An entity, usually a government entity, grants a concession to a private company to finance, build and operate a project. Under a traditional concession, the company would sell to directly the consumers without a government intermediaries. This is called as build, operate, transfer. Aung San Suu Kyi, whose name was in newspapers recently, is from which of the following countries? She is from Myanmar country. She is the State Councillor of Myanmar and Minister of Foreign Affairs from 2016 to 2021. She was honoured with the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1991 for her non-violent struggle for democracy and human rights. Indirect taxes by nature are indirect taxes after implementation of GST, they are now progressive, but initially they are regressive. In economic terms, which of the following factors determine the individual's demand of a product or commodity? The price of commodity, income of the individual, utility and quality of commodity. All the factors determine the individual's demand of a product or commodity. Amazon is not a parent company of Harley Labs Private Limited. Google has acquired Harley Labs. It is a startup from Bangalore. Dash is the youngest recipient of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Abhinav Bindra is the youngest recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The first recipient was the chess grandmaster Vishwanathan Anand in the year 1991 to 92. But the sports shooter Abhinav Bindra was the youngest, aged 18. He received in the year 2001. Therefore, he is the youngest one. And he is the first one. Who is the first licensed pilot of India? J.R.D. Tata is the first licensed pilot of India. Which of the following became the first country to provide free eye care to the citizens? Rwanda is the first country to provide free eye care for its citizens. It is the country in East Africa. What is the total number of digits in legal entity identifier introduced by RBI for large corporate borrowers? 20 digits is the number of digits in a legal entity identifier introduced by RBI for large corporate borrowers. RBI told that legal entity identifiers will be mandatory for all fund transfers worth 50 crores and above. It is a 20-digit number used to uniquely identify the parties involved in financial transactions worldwide. What is the meaning of the Tamil word Muvendar widely mentioned in Sangam poems? The meaning of the Tamil word Muvendar is three chiefs. Three chiefs referring to the heads of the three powerful kingdoms of the south. The three kingdoms are Cholas, Cheras and Pandyas. In which language was the Buddha Charita written by Ashvaghosha? It was written in Sanskrit. Buddha Charita is an epic poem in the Sanskrit Mahakavya style on the life of Gautam Buddha by Ashvaghosha. It was composed in early 2nd century. Friends, CrackView is providing 5 latest patent testnet mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Harisena was the court poet of which Gupta ruler? Harisena was the court poet of Samudragupta. He was the 4th century Sanskrit poet and government minister of Samudragupta's court. Buddhist monuments at Sanchi is in Madhya Pradesh. Lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon day. Which state is known for its sandalwood carvings? Karnataka is known for its sandalwood carvings. Which of the following is considered an annual indicator of the economy of the country? Actual rainfall, population and wholesale price index is considered as the annual indicator of economy of the country. Bombay Stock Exchange and India International Exchange have signed a memorandum of understanding with Moscow Exchange to connect investor community and companies in both countries, besides allowing a capital formation platform. Which inflation measures total inflation within an economy? Headline inflation measures total inflation within an economy. Within economy including commodities such as food and energy prices. The appointment of the governor of a state is incorporated in which article of Indian Constitution? It is incorporated with Article 155. The term of the governor of a state is 5 years. Which of the following is not correct with regard to RTI Act 2005? The Act provides for setting up of Central Information and State Information Commission is not correct with regard to RTI Act 2005. Diatom is an example of which type of kingdom protista? It is an example of chrysophytes kingdom of protista. They are referred to as golden brown algae. Which disease can be caused due to exposure of loud noises into ears? Tinnitus is a disease that is caused due to the exposure of loud noises into ears. We feel a sensation of always ringing near our ears. The phenomenon of corrosion of marble of a monument when acid rains occurs is marble cancer. Which of the following elements is lanthanide? Cerium is a lanthanide. It is the second element in the series of lanthanide. Friends, CrackU is providing previous papers of testnet. Please do visit our website and download these papers for your better practice. Which waves are produced in a string between two supports in a sonometer? Transverse stationary waves are produced in a string between two supports in a sonometer. Iron rusts quickly in seawater. Salt water is an electrolyte which conducts ions, speeding up rusting. Therefore, iron rusts so quickly in seawater. Which city is considered as Manchester of India? Ahmedabad is considered as Manchester of India. Chhath Puja festival is celebrated in which state? Chhath Puja festival is celebrated in Bihar state. This puja is dedicated to Lord Surya. The dash tells the computer how to use its components. Operating system tells the computer how to use its components. The Asiatic lions, which are listed under the International Union for Conservation of Nature, are majorly found in Gir Forest National Park. It's located in Gujarat. Who invented LCD projector? Gene Dolgoff invented LCD projector in 1984 and he got patent in the year 1987. Who became the new non-executive chairman of IBH, India Bulls Housing Finance? S.S. Mundra has become new non-executive chairman of IBH. Subhash Shioratan Munda. The RBI announced to introduce a mechanism of positive pay feature for all checks of value dash and above. It has announced for all checks of value 50,000 and above. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment on the video for more updates. Thank you. Let's see the next question. Leshalaptu is a folk dance of which Indian state? Leshalaptu is the folk dance of Nagaland state of India. Marbat festival is celebrated in which state? Marbat festival is celebrated in Nagpur district of Maharashtra. Friends, Crackview is providing 5 latest patent testnet mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Which of the following is called Space City of India? Bangalore is called as Space City of India. It is also called as Science City, Garden City and Silicon Valley of India. The place Chauri Chaura is situated in which state? The place Chauri Chaura is situated in Uttar Pradesh state of India. Which Mughal emperor prohibited the use of tobacco? Jahangir has prohibited the use of tobacco. At the beginning of 4th century Common Era, the Guptas established a small kingdom in Magad. Cabinet has approved a draft bill for the construction of an international sports university in which Indian state? It has approved for the International Sports University in Maharashtra. Wisden Trophy is related to which sports? Wisden Trophy is related to cricket. The first edition of this trophy was in 1963. The word Brinell is associated with hardness testing. The measure of hardness of a material is obtained by pressing a hard steel ball into its surface. Next question. D2O is called as? D2O is called as heavy water. That is, it is deuterium oxide. De Morgan's theorem states that x dot y whole complement is equals to x complement plus y complement. Friends, Crackview is providing previous papers of testnet. Please do visit our website crackview.in and download those papers for your better practice. How many members are nominated by the President in Rajya Sabha? 12 members are nominated by President in Rajya Sabha. Democratic centralism is an important feature of a communist state. Democratic centralism is a practice in which political decisions reached by voting process binding upon all the members of political party. From the following, who was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar is the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha. Which river basin is shared by more than 10 states of India? The river Ganges, that is river Ganga, is shared by more than 10 states of India. The solid waste is also known as sludge. Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam. Let's see the next question. Parallel economy emerges due to. What is parallel economy? Parallel economy indicates the functioning of an unsanctioned sector in the economy whose objectives run parallel with social objectives. This economy emerges due to tax evasion. The major contributory factor for such economy is black money, which is any money that a person or an organization acquires as by the means that involves tax evasion. Regarding carbon credits, which of the following statements is not correct? Carbon credits are traded at a price fixed from time to time by the United Environment Program. This is not correct regarding carbon credits. Who among the following is the Nobel laureate in economics? Dr. Amartya Sen is the Nobel laureate in the economics. It is T here. Amartya Sen. Given logo is related with which company? This is related to Subaru company. Actually, in 1953, 5 Japanese car companies merged to form Fuji Heavy Industries Private Limited. This adopted a Subari cluster of stars as its official logo. Which company has overtaken the Intel to become the world's largest chip maker? Samsung has overtaken the Intel to become the world's largest chip maker. Which of the following awards is given for excellence in the field of literature? Pulitzer Prize is given for the excellence in the field of literature. Pulitzer Prize is an award for achievement in newspaper, magazine, online journalism, literature and music within US. It was first awarded in the year 1917. A special computer which is typically networked and designed exclusively for technical and scientific applications is called as. It is called as workstation. The first computer which is termed as the workstation is IBM 1620. It was introduced in the year 1960. What is the maximum limit of gold bonds an individual can subscribe per financial year under the sovereign gold bond scheme? It is 4 kgs limit, 4 kgs for the individuals and 20 kgs for trusts. Who has built the Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple? Rajendra Chola has built the Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple. It is constructed in 1035 AD. Rajendra Chola is the son of the great Rajaraja Chola who built Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjavur. Rajaraja Chola, Brihadeshwara temple. Tanjavur. Battle of Kannauj was fought between which rulers? Battle of Kannauj was fought between Sher Shah Suri and Humayun. It was fought in the year 1540 in Uttar Pradesh. What is the town police commander called during Akbar's reign? The town police commander was called as Kotwal. Paymaster was called as Bakshi. Minister in charge of religious and charitable patronage was called as Sadar. Related to religious was called as Sadar. Fauzdar is military commander. And Kotwal is the town police commander. What is the largest and deepest ocean? Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. It covering 63 million square miles. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest patent TISNet mocks for Rs 299. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Let's see the next question. Thorn forests are found in. Thorn forests are found in Rajasthan. They are found in the northwest part of India. They can be found in semi-arid areas of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Haryana. West Bengal shares boundaries with dash countries. It shares boundaries with 3 countries. It shares with Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. You can remember it as B square N, like a shortcut. Economic planning in India is in. Economic planning in India is in concurrent list. Economic and social planning both are enlisted in concurrent list under 7th schedule of Constitution of India. R.N. Malhotra committee is associated with. R.N. Malhotra committee is associated with insurance sector. In 1993, Government of India set up a committee under the chairmanship of Sri R.N. Malhotra, the former RBI governor, to propose recommendations for reforms in insurance sector. Excise duty is the tax levied on. Excise duty is the tax levied on production of goods. Who is in charge of the office if both president and vice president resigns? If both president and vice president resigns, Chief Justice of India is the in charge of the office. IPC stands for Indian Penal Code. Representation of any state in Rajya Sabha is according to the population of the state. Polio is a disease caused by which of the following? Polio is a disease caused by virus. The polio virus is the virus that spreads from person to person and can infect a person's spinal cord. Flower is basically a modified shoot. Which of the following non-metal lies in liquid state at room temperature? Bromine is the non-metal that lies in liquid state at room temperature. Which of these is used to impart sour taste to food? Tamarind is used to impart sour taste to food. Friends, CrackU is providing previous papers of TestNet. Please do visit our website cracku.in and download these papers for your better practice and best score. Why do we fall down when we step on a banana peel? We fall down because the banana peel is smooth and the friction on it is very less that we don't get the grip to stand. In the N-type doping, which of the following element is not used for doping? Antimony is not used for N-type doping. Gatka is a famous folk dance of Punjab. The Sikh Guru Hargobind Sahib was the one who started this dance. Dollu Kunita is a dance form of which of the following states of India? It is a dance form of Karnataka. It is a drum dance of Karnataka. Data warehouse is a system where the data of customers is stored. Which state or union territory has the highest number of national parks? Andaman and Nicobar Islands has the highest number of national parks, and in states Madhya Pradesh has highest number of national parks. Who invented the typewriter in 1829? In 1829, the typewriter was invented by William Austin Burt. Who became the new MD CEO of PNB Housing Finance, Punjab National Bank Housing Finance? Hardayal Prasad has become new MD CEO of PNB Housing Finance. He was the former SBI card head who left that and has become the new CEO of Punjab National Bank. A 2-month-long campaign named Kona Kona Umeed with huge offers and discounts was launched by which of the following banks? It was launched by Kotak Mahindra Bank. It was launched to lift up hope and optimism among its customers in this COVID pandemic. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.